Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use magnesium sulfate. This common mineral compound, also known as Epsom salt, offers several benefits when used correctly. We'll cover its applications for relaxation, muscle relief, and even as a gentle internal aid. Understanding the proper methods and precautions is key to safely incorporating it into your routine. Let's dive into the practical steps for maximizing its potential benefits. For a relaxing bath, simply add 2 cups, which is about 500 grams, of Epsom salt to your standard bathtub filled with warm water. Swirl the water gently to help the crystals dissolve completely. Then, immerse yourself and soak for at least 20 minutes. This allows your body to absorb the magnesium, which can significantly help in soothing tired muscles and promoting a wonderful sense of calm and relaxation. Enjoy this simple, effective self-care ritual. If your feet are feeling tired or sore, an Epsom salt foot soak is incredibly effective. Just add 1/2 cup, approximately 125 grams, of Epsom salt to a basin of warm water. Make sure the water covers your feet and ankles comfortably. Soak your feet for 20 to 30 minutes. This simple practice can provide significant relief from soreness, help soften any rough skin, and even work to reduce foot odor, leaving your feet feeling refreshed. Magnesium sulfate can also be used orally as a laxative, but it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before doing so. If advised, typically 1 to 2 teaspoons dissolved in a glass of water is the recommended dosage. Always ensure you drink plenty of fluids throughout the day when taking it internally to prevent dehydration. Please avoid using it if you have kidney problems or are pregnant unless specifically directed by your doctor to ensure your safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.